This is bigger than our houses.
It's almost impossible to imagine how big this jet actually is.
Right here is a bedroom.
Wow.
A bedroom. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. Keep going. This is for the crew. Another bedroom.
What'd you find?
My dibs.
The bedrooms on this plane are way more extravagant. Gold-plated sinks, multiple showers.
Wait, what's in there?
That's the toilet.
This plane comes with its own theater, a lounge that can seat up to 12 people.
And then over here is the living room.
This is like a bigger couch than what I have in my house.
I just want you to know, you've only seen a third of the plane so far. There's more.